In my presentation today, I was able to present the market figures for robotics. We saw 0.5% growth in 2020, despite the problems of the pandemic, and the opportunities look very good. We expect about 13% growth in 2021, and over the long term, about 6% on average for the next 5 years. And the situation for Spain also looks good. We also expect 6% growth in the next 5 years for the Spanish robotics market. And there are good opportunities for SMEs to invest in collaborative robots right now. The future is now, and the technology is ready, and there are huge opportunities to benefit from automation right now. So we see that a lot of companies are looking why they should invest in robotics now, and that's a great opportunity at the moment because we learned from the pandemic that resilience is very important. A lot of companies are investing in reshoring of their production to be closer to the customers, which saves with resources and money for logistics, makes us less dependent on external sources. We saw a lot of disruptions in the pandemic with the blockage of the Suez Channel. We now face a lot of problems in the raw material supply. So robotics gives a good opportunity to produce here close to the customers, and that's a good reason. Sustainability is another good reason to invest in robotics right now because robotics has to offer so many solutions. So the challenges we're facing right now, especially a lack of skilled staff. So we have to invest in education to enable the employees to work with robots. We see more and more easy to program robots, but still we have to work on programming and maintaining and running the operations in a robotic production. So there is some work to be done to invest in this education and finally can reap the benefits of robotics. So we, as a IFR, we have not been exhibiting so far. One of my tasks today is actually to find out if that's an opportunity for us for the next year. So I'm really impressed. After 2 years without any trade fairs, I'm back to normal business here. So you come up to speed, and it's impressive to see all the exhibitors and all the people on the floor. So I'm really looking forward to 2 more inspiring days at the fair.